AI image generators have one famous weakness that we all know. It is text, misplacing text. Ask for a sign, a label, a book cover, and usually get garbled nonsense instead of letters. These two free tools solve that problem in two different ways, beautiful ways. Tool number 1, Ideogram. Ideogram just pushed out its 4.0 model. It's so sweet, and is now competing directly with the paid heavyweights. But it's open, so you generate for free unlimited images, and it's built specifically to get text right inside an image. I tested it with something deliberately tricky, a thumbnail where a leather-bound journal is open, handwritten word on it like touch this, don't do this, and under 15 seconds it returned 4 options to me. In every single one, the text was legible and correctly spelled, sitting naturally on the pages as if it was naturally written. That was so beautiful. And there's also an API dashboard that if you want to build it into your own product, then you can. But for most creators, free or limited generations with accurate text is the entire selling point. Every other thing comes next. Tool number 2, we are moving very fast. Easy Diffusion. Easy Diffusion takes a different approach. It's a simplified one-click front end for Stable Diffusion that runs entirely on its own. Everything is stable. It's on your computer, no technical background needed, no code. Getting it running is the same pattern as everything else. Tell your coding agent to install and launch it, and it opens a local interface in your browser. From there, you just type what you want. It also lets you list what to avoid in the image, the negative prompt we call it. I asked for a cat wearing a jacket, sitting in a couch in a club, no cartoon style, and a few seconds later I had 2 realistic, clean renders, downloadable together in a zip folder. That makes a lot of sense. Ideogram when text accurate matters, very important. Easy Diffusion when you want unlimited local generation for free. Both open sourced, both zero cost. Full links and prompts for this are in the description. Try them and post what you make in the comments. Normally, these things are very good for your YouTube thumbnail. They are good for posters, handbills, flyers, so that whatever you are doing and you are creating, once there's an image and text messages are going to come into it, these two are very good at it. They render it beautifully and make your work easy. And they are free, open sourced forever. Jump into this. Like I always say, go and create something. Till I see you on the next one. Thank you.